Hi boys and girls, today we are going to finish lesson 3 in our math workbooks and textbooks. So we're going to be working on solving some multiplication word problems. So go ahead and open your book to page 137. All right, let's look at problem 6a on page 137. It says there are 3 cotton swabs in 1 can. How many cotton swabs are in 3 cans? I know there's a picture there, but we don't want to just count. We want to learn how to write a multiplication equation from our word problem. So, how many cotton swabs are in 1 can? Good, there's 3 cotton swabs in 1 can. And how many cotton swabs? Let's see, it wants to know how many cotton swabs are in 3 cans. So what would our multiplication equation be to solve that problem? Let's see, we've got 3 cotton swabs in each can and 3 cans. So it would be 3 times 3. All right, go ahead and solve that one. What's 3 times 3? Let's see, let's skip count 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Remember, we want to practice our skip counting instead of just looking at the picture because later on there's not going to be a picture. So we want to make sure that we are skip counting so that we know how to do this when there's no picture there. All right, nice job on 6A class. Now let's do 6B. It says there are 10 boxes of oranges. There are 4 oranges in each box. How many oranges are there in all? All right, so how many oranges are in each, how many oranges, no, let's start with how many boxes of oranges there are. How many are there? Good, there are 10 boxes of oranges. So we'll put 10 first, and since we're making a multiplication equation, what sign needs to go in the middle? Right, our multiplication sign, our little x. Remember, when we see that and we're reading an equation and we see it, we say times. Okay, so 10 times. And how many oranges are in each box? Good, there are 4 oranges in each box. And to make it an equation, what do I need to add? Good. I need to add my equals sign. So my equation would be 10 times 4 equals. We could skip count by 4 10 times, but that's going to take longer. So instead, I'm going to skip count by 10 4 times. All right, I'll let you do that and write the answer. All right, so that is how we solve multiplication word problems. Right now, we know that we're working with multiplication. Later on, when we're talking about figuring out if we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing in a word problem, then of course we're going to have to be looking for keywords and underlining those. But right now we know that we're going to multiply. So we're just practicing looking at the word problem, getting the information out that we need, and then making an equation and solving it with that problem. So go ahead and finish up page 137 in your textbook. And then we'll do, let me check the pages in our workbook. Then it's going to be pages 133 and 134 in your workbook. All right, bye.